This is Igbo production on Igbo Nigeria TV. We are dedicated to the promotion of Igbo people. Today, top 9 Igbo Gospel Musicians of 2017. Here is the list. They are all based in Igbo land, but their name, fame, and game spreads across Nigeria and beyond. The top 9 Igbo Gospel Musicians are listed as follows. Number 1, Prince Gozie Okeke. He is very popular not just in the East, but in other parts of the country. His album Akanshawa sold millions of copies and made him and his wife Njideka a household name. Gozie has been soaring higher. Not even scandals bordering on his sexuality and marital issues could deter him. He keeps making it to the tops, despite all the rumors that trail him. Number 2, Chinyere Udoma. The Miracle God singer is very blessed and talented singer. She is very popular and well respected. She performs at high-profile events, locally and abroad. She is happily married and with kids. Number 3, Cornelius Benjamin. He is a well-respected and top gospel artist based in Aba. People are attracted to his songs, which are mostly gospel. Number 4, Israel Anyanele. Israel has Nulum Namnigwe series, which has over 17 albums. He also has Ihadiwoma series. Israel performs in churches and other high-profile events, mostly in the East. He's also based in Aba. Number 5, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. The fearless Catholic priest is very much respected and has several albums to his credit. He is based in Enugu. Number 6, Paul Nwokeocha. Paul Nwokeocha is another top gospel artist based in the East, but often travels far and wide for performances. Number 7, Chinedu Nwadike. Chinedu Nwadike is another top gospel singer in the East. He is based in Owerri. Number 8, Blessed Samuel. Blessed Samuel is another popular singer in the East. He recently featured Prince Gozie Okeke in one of his songs. And the number 9 is Princess Njideka Okeke. Her husband Prince Gozie Okeke introduced her to music and helped nurture her in the art of singing. Her album series, Ministration Worship, have also sold millions of copies. Her husband is her backbone, though Njideka has diversified to acting, and she is now in Nollywood, having featured in a handful of movies. This article is by Emmanuel Jana. Thank you for listening to Igbo production on Igbo Nigeria TV. We will continue to promote the Igbo people. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on the Igbo people. Thank you very much.